Guys, this is one problem with DIYers. After they set up their home system, then they're not happy of it, or maybe they see something that is much better, then they wanted to upgrade it as well. So DIYers keep always looking for improvement. That's we call this in the Filipino language, laging nagbubuting-ting yan yung DIYers. Pati siguro si Mrs. binobuting-ting. Baka pati iba binobuting-ting din. So what I have in my setup right now, from what I had before, like the original one, when I don't have yet this table, I use this one just to put a little bit of the left and the right speaker and the amplifier at the center. Then I try to improve it by buying a second hand of this table, and then put my setup, and then little by little I'll have to get all my stuff from my main house down to here in my apartment. And this is the latest one already. So this is an aluminum, and then put a little bit division of my DIY power amplifiers, and here are my source of music. Singing my life with his word. And there is also a slight change that I made in my setup by not using the CD player from SMSL. Instead, I'm going to make use of this so-called hi-fi player, which they claim that can able to play DSD, that's so-called direct stream digital. I'm not going to go through that. That is a part of the critical listening level, but what I'm going to do is just a listening pleasure. What I'm going to do is that I still going to remain to make use of this small speaker in here, and to make it more interesting, I have to remove these speakers in here. The one from my friend Joseph, well, I'm going to use only these speakers in here, the small one, to listen to this hi-fi player. Oops! So I'm going to remove it. It's gonna be like a little messy in here. So just making sure that the simplicity or minimalist will going to be show up in the video, and we're going to hear exactly what this speaker, small speakers will say. There you go. This one also, I'm going to remove it, and I'm going to put this one in here. There you go. Should I put, oh, really, sorry for that. Should I put this way? Looks ugly. Just put it that way, and there you go. Put it that way, and the other one I'm going to roll the speaker, and then put the speaker that way. There you go. Much better. All right, much better. It looks like much better. It's really minimalist, and simplicity is always beauty. Simplicity is always a beauty, I should say. I think that I need to rearrange it like this. And this is my Nathan boy toy. He left it so I can always remember. We used to work with Oreo together before, but now he's in the school. And then this one is a tube preamplifier that will going to drive the Class D power amplifier. This is a Class A tube preamplifier. This will going to make your Class D sounds better. Believe me, guys. Believe me. And it's really can be demonstrated by hearing it with the same music, with and without a Class A preamplifier, and of course a Class D, which I talk a lot already. So setup is changed with a music player, with a preamplifier, and a Class D power amplifier based on the NXP chipset PDA 8950 GHz. Let's hear it. All right, I'm going to play the Desperado right now. That is from Sosan Wong's.
Desperado,